Yo, tshela izitha zami ukuthi angikakapheli moya. Inhlupheke yesikhashana ngisazophatha indodla. Utshela bangidlalisa injeje basuke bengilola sengibukhali ngamagama ukwehlula iblade leminora. Unumber 10 elami jazz mabezama ukungikeleza ngibe umbhalo ongafundeki. Awusoze uphela umoya ekhaya ngingakosati stairs ngisho izinto zikabamawa akho phuphe ngizokalifeza. Angithemmelezi kumuntu mina ngisebenzisa inkani makuthi impibhekene nami ngikhipha zonke ikhaya ukuthi ulinde ukufakwa sesadlula leso sikhathi.
You can skip the line and gain access to millions of dollars in capital without risking any of your own money. In this series, I'll be showing you how I'll be going from $0 to $1 million in prop firm funding. Follow me on this adventurous journey. I think it's time. It's time I do it. And yeah, let's dive in. For those that don't know me, I'm Max Capital. I'm a 10 plus years experienced trader. I've been navigating this volatile world of forex, stocks, commodities, equities for over 10 years now. And one thing has always fueled my journey, which is capital. I understood coming in that my $100 account wasn't going to get me to where I want to go, because believe me, I had a number coming in, which is 150 million US dollars assets under management at least, and by 2030 possibly, because I'm also in the process of creating a track record, at least a 3 to 5 years track record, that I can pitch to investors and raise 150 million in the future. So this is my biggest challenge yet, raising $1 million through prop firms. And yeah, I'll be documenting everything step by step on YouTube, of course, and sharing the lessons, showing you my entries, mistakes as well. And I'm not approaching this from an arrogant perspective, because I understand that the road to success in trading, it is not easy. It requires the right strategies, of which I believe I have gained my edge in the market, risk management, and the right mindset, mind frame, right? It doesn't mean you're not going to be challenged when you're doing this. I had lots of challenges just first week going into this. So yeah, why am I doing this? Like I said, create track record, documenting it on YouTube so that I can show to my investors probably 10 years later. And last year I was doing a lot of documenting, looking at my data, and I was during the festive holidays, I was able to sit down and extract some key business insights, confirm certain things that I have been learning year on year over the past 10 years, but couldn't really confirm. But last year those things were confirmed. I'd say this year was solid, and the only way we can do justice to all of that work is to embark on a challenge of this magnitude, if not bigger. So yeah, I'm also interested in the kind of person and trader I will become at the end of this. Trust me, I would love to make a lot of money, and yeah, just buy nice stuff, go to places that I love. I'm planning to go to Monaco by May 2025. That's on record as well. So we need to make enough money. When I did my numbers, I think me and my partner who needs to go there, I think with around 20,000 US dollars will be good. So hopefully by that time we've made enough money. Not to put pressure on myself, but it's just a goal. I wanted to go watch the Formula 1 in Monaco 2025. First time watching Lewis Hamilton in a red suit. Not a big fan of Ferrari. I'm a Mercedes guy, but you know, something about that guy. He has this aura. He's humble, yet a very, very high performer, very critical of himself. And I've been following Formula 1 a lot because I'm a data analyst as well, and a mechanic. So it just so many worlds coming together, because I even love the business side of it, the branding and marketing part of it. So yeah, that's one goal. So I'm really interested in yes, achieving those materialistic stuff, being in places where I could smile, but really is the kind of trader I'll be at the end of this. So let's look at the documentation process now. How is this going to go? So we're going to have one video a week. So I'm going to be sharing probably an intro like this, of the week, who I am at, my mindset, the balance of the account, right? What do I see? What does my watch list look like? Because at the beginning of the week, my watch list could be like 10 pairs, and towards the end of the week, we only have like two. And remember, we aiming to take only 3 trades per week. So which means our total risk per week is minus 1.5, which is very far from um, the daily drawdown, which is minus 4% and minus 6% total drawdown. So we try to stay away as possible from that. And by reducing our risk per trade to 0.5%, what we're trying to do is to give ourselves more chances to be successful at this. Because let's do a simple math here. If the maximum drawdown is 6%. That means if you're risking 1% at 6 trades, you're done. But you can double the number of trades and give yourself more chances of winning and half the risk. So that's what we do. We'll be risking $50 now because we're on a 10K USD account. So we're going to go from a 10K to a 50K, from a 50K. I'm still going to decide whether it's 100 or 200K. And from there, we're going to buy 200Ks from different firms, of course, so that we spread the risk. Yeah, pretty much that's it. It's going to be a very nice journey. Take it with me. And if you want to join us and see how we do this, because we'll also have a daily live trading sessions, we have a group, and we go live on Zoom between Tuesday and Wednesday 2 times. So we have 2 hours, and on Sundays we have Q&A sessions where people ask questions, whether it's prop firms related, psychology related, risk management related, or even technical related. But I normally find that it's more life related, because you like it or not, as a high performer, what's happening in your life is really going to tap into your trading performance as well. So you need to know how to deal with those things. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I've done the time, I've collected the data, I've been journaling a lot, and I believe I can guide you towards the right direction. So yeah, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy this journey. Please engage with me, give comments, comment in the comment section. I believe right after this video, you're going to see me doing analysis, placing trades. I hope you enjoy that. And if you have any questions, like I said, comment, share this with friends and family. Where have you seen a trader exposing the actual process like that? See you on the next one. Cheers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, quick update on the $1 million challenge. For those that don't know, we are raising 1 million. So we had our 2 trades for the week. I'd say 3, considering that $3 mistake. There's a $3 mistake that we made the other day, as you can see here, $2.43. We were placing a pending order in Euro GBP. So it ended up being a current market execution. However, we'll live and learn. So I'm gonna keep the Euro Pound. I might have to delete Aussie Yen. It's a very nice setup, honestly. But by the look of things, might get activated somewhere next week. So, or let me just maybe just add one more and disregard that $3 mistake, and that would be NZD-CHF. Oof, sorry about that. So NZD-CHF. I don't know. Maybe it's better if we look at it from here. So we're on a monthly time frame. Let's let go of that. So we're on a monthly time frame. I don't know why it's appearing like this. right? Yep, everything should be good now, I think. So yeah, current month we are bullish. Let's look at the weekly. I mean, it's bearish. The current month is bearish, sorry. And the current week is bullish. So the most ideal situation here is for all three times to frames to be telling us the same thing. But in this case, we'll go with the higher time frame, which is the monthly, and follow its bearish sentiment. So what this means is we need to be looking for selling opportunities. And to me, it just tells me that there it is. There it is. You look at that push down. Also, there's a gap here. This opened here, and this bullish candle opened here and closed right here. And right when it closed, the next candle opened up there. Yes, we were able to mitigate that. But to me, it says that there were so many sellers in this area. This is an area of um of interest. So yeah, also there is that area up there, but I'm really focused on this area of supply. So let's go down with the time frames and try to find a clean area of supply right here. So probably we can increase this like that, but remember, this is where we're focused at. And there we go. Things are looking up now. So from a 1 hour time frame, look at that. So we are going to use this as our entry point. And we're going to target this lows right here on a sell. So let's go ahead and mark that so. As you can see, as far as fair value is concerned, we have an area of fair value here. Also, you can consider this whole area here as fair value because price was consolidating at this point. So this was fair value price, and this is what we have on this pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and plan for it. So entry here, stop loss up there. Targets all the way down here, or maybe somewhere here. Let's target here. 1:7. I think that is quite a healthy target. What else do we need to do? Yeah, I think what's left is for us to go to the platform and search for the CAD. And we open that chart and try to put a new order. So we're going to come back here to try to find, to come up with the stop loss and all of those things. So yeah, managed to make that a 1:8, but I think the 1:7 is fine. So let me see, right around 30 pips. So let's risk 30 pips there. So there we're good. And this number is quite weird. So let's go into settings to find the lot size 10,000. So lot size here should be 1. Let's see what we get now. Perfect. So we're going to divide this number by 100,000. So we have, is it 16,000? Yeah, it's 16,666. So we're going to divide that by 100,000 so that we can get the lot size that we need to use. Just a second on my calculator here. But it should be 0.16. So just to confirm, divide by 100,000. Yes, it's 0.16. You can round it up and make it 0.17. I'm going to stick with 0.16. So there we go. Pending order. We have to put in a sell limit here. So the volume or the lot size is 0.16. Let's put in the stop loss. Let's go back to this area and see where our stop loss is. Stop loss is right at you can come in here and look at the stops. Stop level is at 0.82, 0.82468, 0.82468. So first things first, sorry, we need the entry price. Where are we going to enter this trade? I think it's fair that we look at this area right here, maybe right here. Okay, it's 0.82150. So that's the price we're going to make an entry at, 0.82150. And wait, that's a stop loss. 0.81250 should supposed to come here. Forgive me. Match trader I'm not familiar with. I'm used to trading with C trader. So stop loss is above here. 0.82450. So let's see, 0.82450. I think we can increase that value. Or just come up here, because we have to be risking $50 at the end of the day. Let's see if we can achieve that. 0.18 still allows us. Let's see, 0.19. $82450. And let's see, 450. That's $40, which means we can still take this up. So it's just a matter of playing with this number. So now it's too much. It's too much now. Probably 0.25. I think this is okay. As you can see now, should we go into loss, we'll lose minus $48. So 0.23 is the right lot size. I have other means to calculate lot sizes. So yeah, entry price, let me confirm, 0.82150 makes sense. Target. So let's look at the target. We are going to be taking out these lows, hopefully. So let's see. I like to target a round number. Let's see 0.8. Let's just target 0.8 square. And the risk reward ratio would be 1:7. 1:7, 1:8, as we've seen when we were doing our analysis. Makes sense. But this area, man, it's a bit scary because there's another area right above, right here. But let's trust in this rally base drop. Okay, rally base drop, great location. So we've put in our entries, and then there we go. Voila, set limit has been set. There we go. Order is down here. So should the market come to our area of interest, which is this here, trade is going to get activated. And let me just confirm, 0.82150. So it's somewhere here. It's a bit higher. It's okay. So let's check that out again. So yeah, it's good. Stop loss over there. Targets all the way down here. All right, there we go. We have now the Kiwi against the Canadian dollar. Right, Kiwi against the Canadian dollar. Let's see how price plays out. Hope you're enjoying this. So let's come here. We have to save the screenshots for nice befores and afters. You guys know how we do this. So I'm hoping you're enjoying my documentary. I am raising $1 million through prop firms. And if you'd like to be part of it, I'm going to leave a link to our Telegram channel where we're going to talk more about getting funded. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, see you on the next one. All right, week 2, day 2 of the challenge. $1 million challenge. So from last week we had these positions that were on, still on, short on New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. We have the euro pound long, so that one is still on as well. We also have Aussie yen, but with Aussie yen, looking at how far it is from our point of interest, I think it would be wise to take this one off and open some risk. As you can see, we still on a deficit of that $3 mistake. So we're going to go ahead and delete that Aussie dollar, or cancel that order. So what's going to replace that is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. So let's look at it from our normal way of doing analysis, right? So it is a reversal to the upside. So we've got the current month bearish, current week bearish, and obviously the current day bearish. But then there's that candlestick there. That's where the most of the buyers came in after the market had gapped down, because this is where this candlestick opened. So somewhere here there is an area of demand. So we're going to go down the time frames to try to confirm that. There it is. There it is. Here's a clean area of demand on at CHF. Go ahead and highlight that. What are we looking at now? Target profit. This is also more like fair value, a huge area of fair value. But the location of that area is really great. So I'm thinking of targeting this area here. Entry there, stop loss just below, and target this area here. I know it's a great risk reward ratio trade. Yes, 1:12, because we're risking 0.5%. Potential return on this will be around 6%. It can get us way over our target. So we're going to go ahead and go to Mesh Trader of Equity Edge, where my first 10K challenge of the 1 million is, and search for CAD CHF. There we go. CHF, and then we'll put in a new order. Let's confirm the lot size here. I think it's 0.19. Yep, definitely divide the quantity by 100,000. That's how you're gonna get your lot size. So pending order, obviously, at what price? Let's open this up. Entry price is that. Just copy. Come back to paste that price here. There we go. And then let's add stop loss and target profit. Let's go ahead and look for the stop loss price, stop level. There we go, 0.619. Copy. Paste again. This is not right. Well, we haven't put our lot size yet. We haven't put that yet. So 0.65346 is our target profit. Boom. It is a crazy risk reward ratio. So here, 0.19. Let's confirm if the the value of the stop loss is $50 or below. It's a bit above. So what are we going to do? We're going to reduce that, or sorry, increase that, or stop level. Let me copy that again. One of the ways is let's paste again. So one of the ways that I prefer it is to reduce the lot size, because you need your stop level at the same place. So let's confirm the value. There we go. $48, which is roughly $50. All right, then there we go. So there's a potential should the market go against us, we will lose about $50. And if it moves the right direction, or the direction that we anticipate, rather, we are going to earn $606.90. There you go. Let me close that before I make a mistake of adding that trade again. Let's have a look at it. There we go. There we go. So we've done the work. All we have to do now is just wait for price action to play out. We're buying here, targeting this high. Might take some time to get there. As you can see, we're on a daily time frame. Might take some time, but that's the thing with this challenge. I didn't set rather I didn't set deadlines, but it's just a goal to raise $1 million. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you on the next. Cheers. So yep, this is the end of week one. I've got my journal here. So a very big believer in journaling, because when it comes to scaling a business and tweaking certain things, how are you going to gauge your performance? What are you tweaking based on what information? What informed you that maybe that particular area needs working on? So journaling, keeping records, it's very big for me. So yeah, end of this week, Friday, week one of the challenge. Obviously, I'm a human being as well. Um, Negative thoughts creep in for everyone, but the most important thing is how you deal with them. At this point, being challenged life wise, and also um, yeah, and also the question. You look at the numbers, you look at the 6 zeros in US dollars. I came close to doing it in rands, haven't done it in US dollars. You start thinking of the potential. Sometimes being really, really good or achieving the goal can be scary. You start thinking about the kind of attention it may bring. I don't want that at all. But I'm documenting anyways. It's probably going to get some attention and some negative energy as well, because wherever is people involved, there's gonna be some negative energies. I know that by me doing this, I'm upsetting a lot of people. Gonna do it anyway. It's a goal of mine. So, um, reading through, I think it's just a couple of things that I put down on this week. Basically, we have a $3 mistake, and we're down $3. We still have three trades: Euro Pound. We have Kiwi CAD. We also have, well, so we deleted the Aussie yen, and we put in CAD CHF. None of them have been tagged in, but prices playing around very close to our areas of interest, of which can make you think of jumping the gun and making early entries, because some reversals look like maybe your entry was way lower than where it was supposed to be. And when I've really spent time working on this,
Came a long way ukuthi ngingabuyele emuva insuku ayifana ngeke kuhleze njalo kuletha imvula mangabe wenza kahle usathane usukumcasula ubokwazi ubumnyama bukhomba ukuthi